In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view your Zelle transaction history in the Chase mobile app. If you've ever sent or received money with Zelle and want a clear record of those transfers, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find them in the Chase app. We'll move through the process smoothly, and I'll add quick tips to help you avoid common hiccups. Make sure your app is up to date and that you have a reliable internet connection for the best experience. Start by opening the Chase mobile app and signing in with your usual credentials. Once you're on the home screen, select the account you use with Zelle. Many people have multiple accounts, so choose the checking account or the account where you typically send or receive money. Opening the account first helps the app surface the right Zelle options and keeps you in the context of that specific account's activity. From there, look to the bottom of the screen and tap Pay and Transfer. This is the central place for moving money, paying bills, and managing peer-to-peer transfers. If you don't immediately see it, make sure you're on the main navigation bar at the bottom of the app. Tapping Pay and Transfer takes you to the section where Zelle lives, along with other payment tools. Inside Pay and Transfer, find the Zelle area and choose See Activity. This is the dedicated view for your Zelle history. It brings together the transfers tied to your selected account, making it easier to confirm amounts, dates, and who the payment was associated with. If the screen takes a moment to load, give it a second. Transaction lists sometimes need a brief refresh to pull in the latest data. Once the activity screen is open, use the simple filter to toggle between sent and received. Switching to sent will show you payments you've sent out through Zelle, including pending or completed ones. Moving to received will display incoming transfers that have arrived in your account. This quick toggle is the fastest way to narrow down what you're looking for, whether you're confirming a payment you made or verifying money you've gotten. Keep in mind that very old transfers might be summarized in your monthly statements rather than appearing here, so checking statements can help if you're searching for a long ago payment. That's it, your Zelle payments and received funds are all visible right in the app. With these steps, you can quickly confirm activity, stay organized, and feel confident about your recent transfers.